Hello everybody, welcome to Art by Arnab.
I love playing Among Us. My favorite character is Red. So today my dad is going to draw Among Us, Red's family. So let's get started.
Hi, welcome to Art by Arnab. So today we are going to draw the Among Us character. We will be using a Faber-Castell Pitt pen for drawing this character. So we will start by drawing the outline. We will go with a very smooth and steady strokes, no hurry, no fast line drawing, just smooth and steady strokes. So once the character is done, we will be coloring it. I am using here the Faber-Castell sketch pen. We will be starting with strokes, but not this type of diagonal strokes. We will be maintaining a very steady and smooth stroke. We will try to follow the outline's direction and we will try to imagine how the character shape is. So we will sketch according to the shape's direction, or rather we will try to give a volume for the shape with our strokes. Let's see. So you can see I am doing small and medium kind of strokes, but they are all on a same direction. See, I'm defining you with the direction that I'm drawing. Yes, absolutely. Not in that diagonal direction, but as per the direction of the sketch. So I am continuing with the strokes. So see, as the sketch is not a very big one, I am trying to fill it with smaller strokes. Now since the sketch pen has a thinner tip, the strokes are not very thicker or broad, but it's okay. It's a good starting point. I'm trying to fill it up with layers, and now I have started shading the shadows. Now as in my previous tutorials, I have told that every object should have a shadow area and a highlight area. So I am drawing the shadow area now. You can refer to my previous tutorials by clicking on the I button. Once the shadows are done, now I am going to the visor. I'm sketching the mid-tone first because the white highlight will be the paper white only. So we will be not filling it up. And then the shadows. Once this is done, I will keep on adding a final layer of red, just trying to blend. This color is not a professional quality color, so that's why it may not blend very well, but that's okay. This is a good starting point. And here I draw the dog, the pet of Red. In the same way, I draw the visor, mid-tone, and then add the dark tones. Similarly, I add the dark tones of red first, the shadow areas, and then add the mid areas or the mid-tone. Since this object or this dog is not very shiny in nature, so it will not have any highlight. Then I add the mom of red. So I do the sketch first and then I add his dad. A small mustache, some thicker lines, and then I prefer pink to add the character. I draw the shadow areas first with a darker tone of pink, and then I'll gradually draw the midtones. I work with very light hand and don't add much pressure so that it won't leave any harsh stroke on the paper. So I slowly add layer by layer to fill up the white areas in between. I am adding a brownish color tone to his shirt, the watch band. I keep on adding the shirt tones, and then I use the indigo color to fill up Red's dad. I am adding layer after layer to fill up and give it some volume. The shadow areas, and then I fill up the rest. So we are almost done with the character. Hope you enjoyed this video. So in my next video, I will be drawing another character from another popular video game. Until then, keep drawing, keep practicing, and keep doing the awesome artworks. Thank you and bye-bye.